Lift hinge cover. Insert installation tray into groove with rubber pad facing toilet. Place seat on toilet. Align it and insert bolts. Press bolt head with screwdriver and tighten nut. Use Phillips head screwdriver, hold nut and tighten bolts. Now, grab Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the bolts a bit more. Finally, put on the cover and you will nail the whole installation. Quick release hinge function demonstration. For cleaning, open hinge cover, slide seat forward to remove. Reinstall seat after cleaning, check bolt tightness regularly.